Hi, I'm Brandon Loshi, and today I'm going to be doing a live stream with the GoPro Hero 7 Black camera. But I figure rather than just do a live stream, let's do something during it. So here I have the RØDE VideoMic Pro Plus microphone, and I'm gonna unbox it and we're gonna take a look and see what's inside the box. Now following this live stream, I'm gonna post a close-up of the of all the gear that you can see a little bit closer then. So let's take a look at the front of this. This is what the front of it looks like. It has the picture of the microphone, battery. On this side, it just gives you kind of a look of what it would look like on a camera. You have a little bit of an overview right here, some of the details of it. And on the back, gives you a little bit more details. So let's open this up. Pull the sticker off. Comes up pretty easily, actually. Okay, so there's the box. So, this is what it looks like. See, we have a charging cable. We have the manual, the quick start guide, my favorite. There are two TRS cables. Okay, that's a little surprising. I'm surprised they gave us two. You have the battery pack. Show each angle of this on my close-up camera. Then we have the microphone itself. So I'll show each angle to the camera up top, which I'm going to use for close-ups later. Okay, here you can see you can mount it to the top of your camera. Here we have the battery pack, which you can use. You have several options. You can put this batteries in here, power it that way. You can put regular batteries in, and then just disposable batteries that you can get from the store. Or you can even go in and right here, you can charge it. So you can, with this cable. So there's three ways you can power this microphone. Here's where your TRS goes in. Here's the other end of the cable. This plugs into the camera. You have your power button. Then you have your high pass filter. This has cuts at 75 and 150 hertz. And then here you have the decibels on this side. You can set it for 20 or plus 20 decibels for some DSLR cameras, or if you have preamps, you can just leave it flat, or you have negative 20. So I'm going to put the batteries in. Oops, let's flip this around. Okay, so it snaps in just like that. I believe you can also pull, yeah, okay, there it is. So you can also pull this off if you need the microphone underneath it. Just like that. That slides on nice and easily again. And there you have it. So, just do a quick review. You have the charging cable, or you have the power cable, which again, you can use that, or the batteries, or buy your own batteries if you need. You have the user manual. You have 2 TRS cables, and of course, the microphone itself with this shield. So, thanks for watching. Like I said, I will follow up with a video with close-ups later on. And at this point, the video's done. I'm gonna look at the comments that I got on the live stream, and I see Dylan said, seems like you're kind of far from the camera, Brandon. Okay, yeah, so Dylan, what I'm doing is, this camera is just the shot of the whole table, and then I'm gonna put in close-ups later on. We'll see what the next item is next time. I think next time I might get a cage for my GH5 camera, which will allow me to mount the Ninja Inferno. I have 2 microphones, including this now, that I'll have to mount, and anything else that I might need. So I'm thinking that might be my next big leap. We'll see what happens. Till next time, see you around.